Welcome guys in this new lecture of openCV using Python. In previous lectures we learned how to draw circle over an image. This was the code. Now in this lecture we'll learn how to write some text onto this image. So I'm creating a new file here. I'm naming it text underscore on underscore image.py, and let's copy this entire code and paste it in this our new file. So now we have a circle drawn over a black background and I want to write some text onto this. Let me take a variable text, and in CV we have a function called put text. Remember, text has a T in uppercase. Now we have to pass certain parameters in this. The first one is the image on which I want to write. The second parameter is the text that I want to write. So I'm writing circle. Then we have to give the origin coordinates of our text. So I'm taking it in a variable org. Then I need to define the font of my image, then font size. These are values that I'll be giving now, and then color of the text, then thickness of the text, and then I have to give the line thickness. So we have three types of line thickness here: line 4, line 8, line AA. Let's take anything and see what is be displaying. Okay, so let's give these coordinates. So first is the origin coordinate, from where my text will originate. So you can see the center point of the circle is 250 comma 250. Let's take this and see what is the output. Then we have different fonts available in openCV, so you can try different fonts here. So if I write cv.font, so you can see these all fonts are available. Take anything. And then font size. So what will be the font size here? So let's take any value. So let me take say 1. Okay, color will take the color of the circle itself, that is orange color. Thickness we can change. So we have thickness 9 for our circle. Let's copy and give a thickness of value 1. So let me paste it, and I'll rename this to thickness 1 and it 9 to 1. Again I have to change this thickness 1 here, and let's change this displaying text also. So I'll write circle text. I think everything is done here. Okay, let me save this file and we'll run and see that a circle on the image with a text written circle in it. Let's run. Okay, so you can see here, so the origin is 250 comma 250. Okay, let me change this. Let me make a bigger circle with a radius 200, and origin 200 comma 200 will do, I think. Okay, now let's run. Now it is looking a bit more good. So that's how you can put text onto an image using put text function. That's it for this lecture, and we'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.